Good morning, students. This is your computer teacher Devjit sir, back with another lesson for you all. Now students, before we had our summer vacation, we had already completed a lot of chapters. If you look at your syllabus given in this page, we had completed about these chapters. We had completed about computer, we had completed computer hardware, we had completed computer software. Windows operating system, we are left with only the remaining topics like restart, shutting down computer, and today we are going to do the question answer. So without further ado, we are going to start our class on chapter 4. So I hope it is clear to you what are the things covered already. So children, we are going to start from this topic today where we ended our class. That is restarting the computer. Okay? So I would request all of you to listen with rapt attention. And it is needless to tell you that if you have any form of doubt, you can ask the questions in the WhatsApp group of your class. You can directly communicate with me or you can ask the question in the WhatsApp group of your class if you have any doubts. For any query or doubt, you can ask the question directly to me. So let us start the topic. Restarting. Restarting the computer means shutting down and starting the computer again. So it is a process by which rebooting the computer. Rebooting, that means restarting. So the another name of restarting the computer, what is it called? Please note down in your book. It is called rebooting. What is it called? Rebooting. Okay? Alright. Moving on. So how to restart? First, click on the start button. Where is the start button? You can see, children. This is the start button. So click on the start button. You will see the start menu will appear. What will appear? Start menu. Then click on the shutdown arrow. Okay? After clicking on the start menu, go to the right corner. Which corner? Right corner over here. You will see a menu will appear. This menu, in this menu, you will get an option in the shutdown menu itself. What option you will get? You will get an option called restart. Okay? This restart menu you will get. Click on this restart button, your computer will restart. That is, it will shut down and again start. So, restarting means what does it mean? Process shutting down the computer and starting it again. So, shutting down and starting it again. Okay? Is that understood? Please note it down. Okay. I hope all of you have noted it down. These things you will note down in your book itself, okay, with pencil. So I hope you are carrying pencils with you. Now see, we will have a look at shutdown. Now for shutting down means closing the computer. What is the meaning of shutdown? Please take a note again. Wait 1 second. So it is a process of turning off. Turning off what, children? Turning off the computer. Okay? So the process by which we can turn off the computer, what is that called? That is called shutdown. What is that called? Shutdown. Okay? Please note it. Okay. I hope all of you have noted it down. Yes, noted. All right. Now have a look. Next step, okay? What is that? Click on shutdown and the Windows 7 shutdown. So, same option, go to the start menu, click on the shutdown option, it will shut down. Okay? Now it is time for the self-evaluation, children. So, let us solve it. I know that Windows is a popular operating system. So, the answer is agree. I know that desktop is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. Click on agree. I know that small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Click on agree. I know that start button is located at the bottom left corner of the desktop. Click on agree. I know that taskbar is a long bar located at the bottom of the desktop. Please click on agree. So all the answers would be agree. What would be the answers? Agree. Now it is time to solve the correct answers. Okay. Now see. Windows 7 was developed by Microsoft. The bar at the bottom of the desktop. Which bar is present at the bottom of the desktop, children? It is taskbar. Which bar? Taskbar. So I hope you have got these two answers correctly. Now, the small pictures present on the desktop, what are they called? They are called icons. Small pictures present on the desktop, what are they called? Icons. The button that is present at the bottom left corner, okay? Bottom left corner, what is present? That is start button. Many of you can write here date and time. Mind you, date and time is located at the bottom right corner. Date and time at the bottom right, start at the bottom left. Okay? So I hope the answers you have got it correctly. Windows 7 was developed by Microsoft. Bar at the bottom of the desktop, taskbar. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. Dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. So which screen appears? Yes? Which screen appears? In order to understand that, let us go back to the lesson. See, when you turn on the computer, Windows says 7 turns with the welcome screen. So what is the first screen that appears when we turn on the computer? Which screen, children? What is the answer? The answer will be welcome screen. Okay? So write the answer here. I have shown you what will be the answer. The answer will be welcome screen. Windows is the most popular operating system. So what is the second answer? Operating system. Date and time are present on the, where it is present? Present on bottom right corner. So date and time are present where? It is present in the bottom right corner. Now dash menu lists all installed program. Dash menu lists all the program installed in the computer. What would be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is start menu. Okay, so start menu is the answer. Written? Alright, so the first answer is here. Again check your answer. Welcome. Windows is the most popular operating system. Date and time are present on the bottom right corner. Okay? Got the answers? All right. Now true false. Windows is an application system software. Okay, what is the answer? False. It is not an application software. Start button present on the top left corner of the desktop. The answer is true. Windows 7 is a GUI based software. The answer is true. The small arrow present on the desktop is called mouse pointer. Answer is true. Now children, come to the question answer part, but before that please match your answers. Question number 1, answer is false. Question number 2, answer is true. Question number 3, answer is true. Question number 4, answer is true. False, true, true, true. Okay? Now what is Windows 7? Please write down this answer. Where you have to write down all the answers, please note in your computer copy. That will be your homework. After you are noting the answers in the book, suppose you have to fare your answers. You have to refresh your answer neatly in your computer copy. So your homework will be to write all the answers that I am giving in the computer copy. That is particularly which answers you will write in your computer copy? Only number D. Only number D is to be written in the computer copy. So let us write. What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a popular GUI. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. GUI based operating system developed by which company, children? Microsoft. Okay. So Windows 7 is a popular GUI-based operating system developed by Microsoft. All of you have written this? Okay, I hope you have written this. Just take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this page. Please take a screenshot. Hold your home key and power button or volume rocker button to take the screenshot. Take the help of your guardian if you need. Yes, thank you, children. So, now we will go to question number 2, second question. What does a start button contain? So write down. So, start button contains all the menus, MENUS, and sub-menus, okay, of different programs. Alright? Please write the answer. Start button contains all the menus and sub-menus of different programs. Now what does a taskbar show? Next question. So taskbar shows all the actively running, that means presently running applications present in the computer. Suppose you are running with Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, that will show in the taskbar. Why it will show? Because they are right now running in the computer. Okay? So I hope all of you have noted the answer. Please note down the answer. Now next question, children. What is the use of mouse pointer? Mouse pointer is used as a pointing device to select any item by single or double click. Remember, children, I told you there are two types of click, single or double click. And apart from single and double click, what we can do, children? And also to drag. With the help of left mouse button, we can move it any side to drag. So write down also to drag an item. So apart from selecting, we can also double click or single click and drag the item. Okay. Now we finally come to application based question. I hope all of you have noted down the remaining answers. So the next question is, if you see, Suman wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to open MS Paint. Okay, so Suman is a student who wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to open. How we can open? MS Paint can be opened by clicking on, where to click, children? Clicking on start button, arrow. From start button, where we will click? Accessories, ACCESS, okay, ORIES, accessories, okay, and then where we will click on? After accessories, we will get the option MS Paint or just Paint. Okay, so from start button, accessories to MS Paint. Okay, children, so this will be your task for today. You all have to write down all the question answers that I have given you. So please take a photo of this, screenshot of this number E also. So all the question answers, finish writing in the copy, alright, and submit it to me on the date of submission mentioned by the class teacher. Class teacher has already given you a date where you have to submit the copy. On that particular date, I want all the copies having these answers. Okay? Understood? So with this command, this is your computer teacher Devdeep sir signing off. If you have any doubt in the topics that you have learned today, any doubt in the question answers, you can ask the same in the WhatsApp group. Okay, feel free to ask the question in the WhatsApp group and complete this homework. That is to write down all the answers in the classwork copy. So with this I am signing off, children. Have a nice day and stay at home, stay fit and stay comfy. Okay, thank you.